In this video, we'll show you how to build and install railing for your deck. For the deck, we used a Veranda 6-foot, 1.8 meter, traditional deck railing kit with wood rails, wood ledges, and metal balusters which you can purchase at most building centers. For the stairs, we built them ourselves using a stair rail kit for the rails. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. Your support means the world to us and helps us create more content just like this. Thank you. Cut the posts to size. Attach the post connector plates at the bottom. Attach the posts to the deck. Attach the post caps. Screw the rail hangers onto the top and bottom wood rails. Decide how high you want the top rail, and screw on the bottom rail so that the top rail will end up at the correct height. Our top rail is 42 inches, or 106 centimeters, high to meet our building code for a second-story deck. Put one rail connector and one metal baluster into each hole in the bottom rail. Put one rail connector on the top of each baluster. Take the top rail and work one baluster into each hole. Then screw the top rail to the two posts. Now to build the stair railing. Install the posts. Cut the top and bottom rails. Mark the top and bottom rails for where the balusters will go. Drill holes partway into the rails to insert the balusters into. Put some black tape on the drill bit to indicate how far to drill into the rails, and drill to that point. This is the stair rail kit with the balusters I'm using. Screw on the bottom rails. Insert the balusters between the bottom and top rails into the holes that you drilled, and screw on the top rails. You'll find the links for the complete construction of this deck with storage in the description below this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to keep up with our latest videos. Thank you.